Robots are being used more and more in construction. In fact, construction robots have been developed to perform a variety of tasks, such as bricklaying, painting, welding, and even demolition. These robots can perform tasks more quickly, accurately, and safely than human workers in some cases. Additionally, robots can work continuously without getting tired, which means they can complete tasks more quickly than human workers. There are several types of construction robots that are currently in use or under development. Some of the most common types of construction robots include bricklaying robots. These robots can lay bricks faster and more accurately than human workers. They can also work continuously without getting tired, resulting in increased productivity. Demolition robots. These robots are used for the safe and efficient demolition of buildings and structures. They can be remotely controlled and can access hard-to-reach areas. 3D printing robots. These robots can 3D print structures and components on site. They can print complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to create using traditional construction methods. Welding robots. These robots can perform high-quality welds quickly and consistently. They can also work in hazardous environments where it may not be safe for humans to work. Painting robots. These robots can apply to paint more precisely and uniformly than a human painter. They can operate autonomously, reducing the need for human operators and improving safety on construction sites. Overall, the use of construction robots is increasing, and new types of robots are being developed to perform a wide range of tasks in the construction industry.